Good morning, students. Today we are going to start the chapter 1 of unit 3, which is magnetic field due to current. To start with, let us have a slight introduction about the magnetic field due to current. Earlier it was found experimentally that when a current carrying conductor is kept near a magnetic compass needle, it is found to get deflected, and if we sprinkle some iron fillings along with the wire carrying current, it takes a specific shape. Now the question comes then that the magnetic needle gets deflected, so what should be the reason behind that? Right? Now we know that the magnetic compass needle will be deflected only when there will be some magnetic field existing there. So what would happen if we keep a magnetic needle near the current carrying wire? It is found that when it is kept along with the wire, it get deflected either toward east, either toward upward or toward downward, depending upon the direction of current. Right? It means that it should be possible only when there is a magnetic field around this wire, so that the magnetic field of this wire would have interacted with the magnetic needle, which causes it to deflect. From this experiment, it is clear that the current carrying conductor should have a magnetic field associated with this, and this was found experimentally by Oersted by his experiment which is shown here. Here you can see a cell is connected, and this is a key K. This is positive terminal and this is negative terminal. So current in the wire will flow from positive to negative, that is in a wire from A to B. It is found that when current flows through A to B, this north pole of the magnet get deflected toward this direction, right? And when the direction of current is being reversed, in that case, when the direction of current is being reversed means if we have altered the direction of battery, right? In this case, the direction of current would have changed and that start flowing from B to A. In that case, it is found that this end would have deflected toward upward or this toward downward. So this shows that there should be a magnetic field associated with current, which gives this deflection. And this direction of deflection can be found by Ampere's swimming rule. By Ampere's swimming rule, according to which if a man is swimming, suppose a man is swimming and the current enters through his feet and leaves his head, right? In this, the deflection would be toward his left hand, right? That is, the N pole of the magnetic needle has been deflected toward his left hand, and if the current enters through his head and leaves through his foot, that in that case the deflection should be toward his right hand. And this word can be rememorized by snow. Word snow. Snow means that is current from south to north over the head. So deflection should be from toward west. Right? Deflection should be toward west. And if I draw this direction, this is south, this is north, this is west, and this is east. So current, if we imagine that a man is swimming like this in this direction, so current will enter in this direction and the deflection of north end will be toward west. So this all experiment study shows that a magnetic field is associated with the current carrying conductor. And one more fact which is clear from this, that if the charge is stationary, in that case there is no magnetic field, right? There is no magnetic field. But if this charge is moving, right? If charge is moving, in that case only the magnetic field has been experienced. So this shows that the moving charge, we can say that this is the important point. The moving charge is the source of magnetic field, right? Source of magnetic field. Now let us discuss about what is magnetic field, its units, and all about these things in our next video.